In this video, I'm going to show you how to find account number in LandBank Agent Banking Card. To find your LandBank account number, start by searching for LandBank on Google. The first result that appears should be the official website. Click on it to access the site. Once you're on the LandBank website, you have a couple of ways to reach customer support. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find the Chat with Us option. Clicking on it will open a chat window where you can enter your account details and describe your issue. If you're trying to retrieve your account number, this is one way to request assistance. Another option is to look at the top of the page where you'll find a contact button. Clicking on it will display the customer service phone number. Calling this number will connect you directly with a representative who can assist you in finding your account number. When speaking with customer service, explain that you need help locating your account number. They will guide you through the process and provide the necessary instructions to retrieve it. You can choose to contact LandBank through chat, email, or phone. But calling their customer service number is usually the fastest and most efficient way to get a response. With all that being said, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.